Hi, I'm Ed Celebril from Math 2A. Today, I'm going to answer exercise number 1 in section 2.1, or the topic matrices. The problem is matrix A is equal to 1, negative 1, 2, negative 1. Matrix B, 2, negative 1, negative 1, 8. We need to find A plus B, A minus B, 2A, 2A minus B, and B plus 1 half A. But before we proceed, we need to identify the two matrices. If the column of first matrix and row of matrix or the second matrix, if they are the same, we need to proceed, or we can proceed. The column of first matrix and the row of second matrix, since they are the same, we can proceed. For A plus B, matrix A plus matrix B, the value of matrix A and the value of matrix B. In adding two matrices, we need to add corresponding elements. Corresponding elements is 1 and 2, negative 1 and negative 1, 2, negative 1, negative 1, and 8. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 2. 2 plus negative 1 is equal to 1. Negative 1 plus 8 is equal to 7. So we have a value of matrix A plus matrix B, which is 3, negative 2, 1, and 7. For the value of matrix A minus B, the value of matrix A minus the value of matrix B, as simply what we did in first problem. We need to add corresponding or minus corresponding elements. 1 minus 2, negative 1 minus negative 1, 2 minus negative 1, negative 1 minus 8. By subtracting 1 minus 2, we get negative 1. Negative 1 minus negative 1, we get 0. 2 minus negative 1 is equal to 3. Negative 1 minus 8 is equal to 9. So we get a value of matrix A minus matrix B, negative 1, 0, 3, negative 9. For the third problem, or 2 multiplied by matrix A, scalar 2 multiplied by matrix A, 2 multiplied by the value of matrix A. By multiplying scalar to matrix, we need to multiply the scalar in elements of matrix A. 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by negative 1, 2 multiplied by negative 1 also. By multiplying scalar to the elements of matrix A, we get a value of 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 2 times negative 1 is equal to 2. Negative 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 2 multiplied by negative 1 is equal to 2. By multiplying 2 to matrix A, we got a value of 2, negative 2, 4, negative 2. For the third problem, 2 multiplied by A minus B. scalar 2 multiplied by matrix A minus matrix B. Multiplying scalar to the elements of matrix A, we get a value of 2. 2 times negative 1 is equal to negative 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 4. Or 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times negative 1 is equal to negative 2 minus the value of matrix B. Since in subtracting two matrices, we need to subtract the corresponding elements. 2 minus negative 2, or 2 minus 2, 2 minus negative 1, 4 minus negative 1, negative 2, minus 8. We got a value of 0, negative 1, 5, negative 10. So the value of 2 scalar 2 multiplied by matrix A minus matrix B, we got a value of 0, negative 1, 5, negative 10. For the last problem, B plus 1 half or scalar 1 half multiplied by matrix A. The value of matrix B, which is 2, negative 1, negative 1, and 8, plus scalar 1 half, and the value of matrix A, which is 1, negative 1, 2, negative 1. Copy the value of matrix B plus 1 half multiplied by the all elements of matrix A. So 1 half multiplied by 1 is 1 half or 0.5. 1 half multiplied by negative 1 is equal to 1 half or negative 0.5. 1 half multiplied by 2 is equal to 1. 1 half multiplied by negative 1 is equal to negative 0.5. Then add all corresponding elements. 2 plus 0.5, negative 1 plus negative 0.5, negative 1 plus 1, 8 plus negative 0.5. 2 plus 0.5 equals to 2.5. Negative 1 plus 0.5 or negative 0.5 is equal to negative 1.5. 1 plus negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. 8 plus negative 0.5 equals to 7.5. So by adding the B or B plus 1 half A, we get a value of 2.5, negative 1.5, 0, and 7.5. Thank you.